This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in Outlook email. First, open Outlook and click the File tab. Select Options from the menu. In the Outlook Options window, choose Mail from the left pane. Then, click the Stationery and Fonts button. This opens the Signatures and Stationery dialog box, where we'll adjust your font preferences for new messages and replies. Now, within the Signatures and Stationery dialog, find the New Mail Messages section. Click its Font button. A new font dialog box will appear. Here, you can select your preferred font style like bold or italic, and the size. Take your time to pick the perfect combination that suits your professional or personal communication needs. Next, let's address the font for replies and forwarded messages. Below the New Mail Messages section, you'll find Replying or Forwarding Messages. Click its corresponding Font button. You can choose to use the same font settings as your new messages, or you might prefer a slightly different style or size for consistency in conversations. Once you've made your selections, click OK to confirm your choices in the font dialog. To finalize all your font changes, click OK in the Signatures and Stationery dialog box. Then, click OK once more in the main Outlook Options window. Your new default font settings are now saved and will apply to all future emails you compose, reply to, or forward. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.